गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मैं हूं आर दुर्गेश फॉर अल्टीमेट स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लासेस आस्था। टुडे आई वांट टेल अबाउट अल्टीमेट स्पोकन इंग्लिश हैज़ बीन नंबर वन कोचिंग and institute since 2009 in the field of spoken English and personality development. Since its inception till today, thousands of students learned English and developed their skills. Ultimate not only teaches but also gives knowledge. We shape our students' overall personality and we help to grow, innovate, and transform. We identify our goals to set up and we listen before we guide and them give knowledge because we set their goals to use a realistic and innovative things because ultimate is the only coaching in the asta that can help and then give the good things because often I say do something different the world wants to do like you. Someone said amazing thing that the man is born to succeed not a fail because you know very well that someone said and another things that if you do then you will think about yourself that what have I done because you know very well that in this era most of the people they are longing for the money, they are longing for the time, but they are not longing for the skills. Guys, this is a time we can change our or whatever you want to become. And you know very well that this is a, often I say do something different that the world wants to do like you because you are watching my new learning skills and video so that it is a realistic things, it is a transformative things, it is a things, it is a global things because you know very well that if you go anywhere you will have to talk in English, you will have to discuss in English because English is the only subject you can use anywhere with anyone's and you can make your bright future. Guys, this is a tremendous time. We are living in the 21st century. This is the era. In my opinion, you know very well that with the help of English, with the help of the knowledge, you can do whatever you want to do. Because also I thought about myself that if I can do it, why the other people they cannot do it? Also they can do it. They can also do it. Guys, people will say to you, they will make a noise, they will make an excuse, they will laugh at you, but that you if your time will come and definitely will show them because you know very well that time is a great healer, time is a precious things because of once a person said that it's depend on you, it's up to you because impossible says I'm possible and possible said I am definitely possible. So follow your rule, follow your target, follow your passion, follow your hard work because only you person, because only you can change whatever you want to change because also Lord Krishna said in the Gita, the fourth chapter of the Gita, when Arjuna asked to Krishna that whatever I want to do, it doesn't happen. But whatever you do, it happens. So why is it? What's going on? What the hell is going on? I am not able to understand. The Lord Krishna said, whatever you want, it doesn't happen. But whatever I want, it definitely happens. So whatever I want, do it. Then whatever you want, it will happen. So guys, we have a person of words. You are the punctual of time. You have tremendous atmosphere. You have tremendous era. You have huge things to do something different in your life. So ask yourself first, compare yourself to yourself, not others. So that people come to meet you. How did you become? How did you do it? What's your purpose? How was you doing like this? What was your purpose? So you were showing the people because people are longing for the money, longing for the talent, longing for the success. Because don't take to anyone. Okay, don't underestimate to anyone. Don't take it lightly. Take it hard. Take it difficult so that you could do something different in your life. Because guys, you know very well that this is a time When time goes, never come back. Anybody says tomorrow comes, no, tomorrow never comes. Because also Kabir said that करत करत अभ्यास की जड़ में तो होत सुजात, रस्सी आवत जावत शिल्पल होत निसात. So guys, do your work on the right time. Don't think that right time will come, then I will do it. Because the another things we can add, that if you do one work in the one time and you follow your rule, definitely you can become. Because महानता एक काम करने में होती है, 1000 काम करने में नहीं. यदि आप एक काम को 1000 बार करेंगे तो ये आपकी महानता है. यदि आप 1000 वर्क को एक बार करेंगे तो ये आपकी महानता नहीं. तो गाइस, जीवन हमें भगवान ने दिया है. गॉड हैज गिवन अस बॉडी, God has given everything. We have both hands, we have 2 hands, okay, we have 2 hands, okay, we have eyes, we have a body like this. I won't tell about Viju Nick. He born in Australia's Melbourne, and he had no leg, no arms, all these things, but he was thinking about himself that I have to do something different in my life. Must watch his story and his history. Thinks about his life. So how did he become a good entrepreneur? How did he visit thousands of the things? How did he visit many countries? How did he become whatever he wanted to become? So guys, do something different, and world wants to do like you. That's all. Thank you very much. I'm Durgesh, Ultimate Class Asta.